What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy T, back again with another Soul Supremacy beater box. I know it's been a while since I uploaded, took a little bit of a break. Plus Soul Supremacy haven't been dropping boxes that often. This box actually came to me almost a week ago, and just been chilling here at the house, man. These are nothing more, nothing less than just a mystery box full of kicks. I've been getting a bunch of new subscribers asking where these boxes come from, what's inside of them. I don't know until I open it. This box ran me This box ran me 475 bucks, man. So it was just a little cheap box. This drop only had about 21 boxes, including what they call a donation box. You guys seen me unbox those a long time ago. I don't get lucky enough to grab them anymore. But I was just happy to get one. 475 bucks with the $50 shipping. So it was 425 plus $50 shipping, which made it 475. Again, nothing more, nothing less than just a mystery box full of kicks. We're gonna jump right in. I know you guys like when I just get right to it. Jump right on in. Kind of excited. Inventory looking a little low. This coronavirus kind of slowing up everything. With everything going on in the world, man, nowadays with the virus and police brutality and all kind of other stuff, it actually feels weird to even shoot a YouTube video for shoes. Like, it just seems so unimportant. But you know what I'm saying? We pray about everything, worry about nothing, and try to keep going. All right, we got some loose pair in this box. We got two pair that's loose. We got a Nike Dunk. Yeah, these are Nike Dunks. I don't know the name of them. It might be some kind of special edition or something. I'm not sure. Check out the tongue. I don't know what that is. But some Nike Dunks. These are a size 12. Can't forget to tell y'all that. Check out the bottom. A little bit of star loss on the toes. These definitely have been worn. The insides. This light probably killing. Now you guys should be able to see that. It does have some scuffing right here on the inside on both shoes. So whoever had these rocked them. I'm not real big into dunks. I don't know the names of dunks and SBs and things like that. But these are size 12, no box. Next up, we got a Jordan. I don't know what these are called. They look like a Jordan 4 and a Jordan 5 had a baby. I don't know what these are. Check them out. These are a size 11. So we got a good size, but I probably definitely won't be keeping these. I don't know what they called. They got a lot of stars though. They seem to be in pretty decent condition. All the rest of these shoes, make sure have boxes. We got the Jordan face box. Man, I love face boxes and I hate them because I love them for the nostalgia value of them and all of that cool stuff, but I hate them because the shoes, you can't really wear them. They so old. Size 10.5, we got an Air Jordan 2 low. Air Jordan 2 low. Check those out. These are pretty clean. These are one of the better colorways. These and the Obsidian ones that came out. Size 10.5 on them. These gotta be around, what, 2004 or something like that. 2004, 2005. These are older release. You just tell from the box. Pretty dope still though. Size 10.5, my size. We got some Ultra Boosts. Man, I remember back in the day, everybody used to be so excited to get these because they was way more valuable. These are a size 10 Ultra Boost M. I don't know what the M stands for. Not a bad colorway. Ultra Boosts still are very comfortable. And some people still rock them. I mean, function over fashion for a lot of runners, especially those who really be putting in that work, getting those miles in. So, we got some Ultra Boosts if you feeling them. Size 10. Not really a bad colorway at all, actually. I'm I'm pretty into the grays and blacks and whites and neutral colors when I go train, so it's just easy to match up and go. I didn't open the box. We got an Air Max. No, I'm tripping. I just seen that the shoe was not what's in the box, and I'm still showing y'all the tag. This is a replacement box, man. We got some Olympic up tempos in a size 8. Olympic up tempos in a size 8. Take out the other one so you guys can check them out. There are a lot of tempo fans out there. Check them out, man. These are a size 8. Will be with the replacement box. Just looking at them, they in really good shape. Up tempo seem to sell pretty fast for me. Let me back up so y'all can see the shit. Boom, check them out. Up tempos always sell fast for me, so hopefully I had that same look. We got 4 pair left in this little cheap box. We got a NMD City Sock size 9.5. City Socks. These are pre-owned. These are a 9.5. And I don't know if these really have a market or not. I mean, they got that boost in them also, so they're probably pretty comfortable. But yeah, man, City Sock. I've had these a couple of times, and they'll move. They'll move. Be kind of slow, but they'll move. Next up, an older box than the this is an OG box. This is a Jordan. I don't even tell you the model on the box. These are a size 10.5. Dang. This box is older than the face box. Like, these are a size 10.5. I want to say these are from like 97 or something like that. Check out these, man. Old school, OG 13s, size 10.5. These will be for a true collector. These are for a true collector, man. Somebody who just wants something for bring back memories. Check out the hologram. It's non-existent. You cannot see through that bubble at all. But definitely some OG kicks. They'll go to a collector, I'm sure. Man, definitely not wearable, but it's cool to get stuff like this. Those are from, I'm assuming, 97. That's when I first moved to Oklahoma. That's one of the first pair of Jordans I seen. Jordan 12s. Taxi 12s was the first Jordan that really caught my attention. And then right after that, of course, you got 13. So those are one of the first Jordans that I had ever seen growing up. Jordan 3s in a size 9. Got something a little newer for y'all. Something a little newer. This is actually my first time seeing these in hand. But these Katrina 3s or something like that. Somebody took good care of them. Check out the insole. They put the little tape over the jump, man. Me personally, if I'm really just trying to protect my insoles, I just swap them out and then put them up. And I just don't wear the insoles with the shoes. If I'm really just trying to protect my jump, man, I just take it out and swap out the insole for something a little bit more comfortable. And I'm keeping the OG insole still intact. But these are pretty clean, very clean. Check out them stars. You got a lot of them on these. Size 9 sell pretty quick for me too. And I got 1 red shoelace. Not 2, but they will come with 1 red shoelace. I don't know how that happens, but to me they look better with the white. So, but you'll get your shoelace with them. Whoever buy them, I'll make sure you get the shoelace. Size 9 on those. Last up, I know this box. We got a size 9, and thank God I got the 5s instead of the 3s. 3 Lab 5. These are dope. Check out that elephant print all the way around these. Check out the print all the way around these. Boom. I was real against this shoe when it first came out, and I still don't think it's like for me, but I don't know, somebody can get G with them. I mean, size 9, definitely can't keep them, but they are very clean. Check out the bottom, just a little dirt on the bottoms, but from the side, that's still pretty icy right there. Very good shape. And I prefer these over those 3s. So as soon as I pick them up, you can kind of see straight through that little hole. I'm happy you can see that cement print through that hole, because boy, them 3s, I was not really feeling that all 3M3. But size 9 on these, that is the end of this box. 475 bucks, not bad at all. I'll buy them all day. I will buy this box all day for 475 bucks, especially with those sizes. Nothing too crazy. I don't know what these are. It might be worth $1 million bucks. I couldn't tell you. I don't know. But according to the other shoes, it's not really a bad box. I'll see what those dunks are, and I'm sure you guys will have all the names and prices at the bottom of the screen. Make sure you hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, follow me everywhere at TGOTSOLE. And the other page, the for sale page, TGOTSOLE for sale. Hopefully have some more stuff to put on there. You guys that follow me on Instagram, people that follow on Instagram actually get to see stuff a little sooner, because it's just quicker to snap some pictures and upload than it is to shoot a video. So if you follow me on Instagram, you actually have a little bit of an advantage to cop some of these kicks before the video goes up, because as soon as they go up, I'm trying to move them to reinvest. As soon as they come in, man, they got to go out so I can re-up on some more boxes or whatever. Everybody, please continue to stay safe, man. And real quick, man, for the young guys who are out there looking at these videos, man, if you get pulled over by the police, anything like that, man, just try to follow them people's rules. Stay calm, do what they say. And I know a lot of times nowadays that don't even help, as we can see, but man, just do the best you can and stay calm. Don't try to show out in front of your homies and all that weird, crazy stuff, because it will not pay off, as we can see, until we get some things cleared up. Y'all make sure y'all stay safe, man, for real, because that stuff is just sad, disheartening. It's actually, like I said, weird to even shoot a video for shoes with everything going on, but you just got to keep on going, man. Keep on going, pray about everything, worry about nothing. This too shall pass. So again, man, y'all stay blessed, stay safe, continue to keep your distance, all that cool stuff. Make sure y'all hit the subscribe button, follow me everywhere. I think that's gonna conclude it. I'm out. Peace.